Send this to someone you want to kick in the face. Twinkle, twinkle, you're so dumb. You look like a big fat bum. I should push you off a plane. Laugh at you while you're in pain. While you're falling in the sky, I'll watch as you fall and die.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy.
Send this to someone you want to kick in the face. Twinkle, twinkle, you're so dumb. You look like a big fat bum. I should push you off a plane. Laugh at you while you're in pain. While you're falling.
Scroll past this video if you hate your mom. If you love your mom, hit the plus, like, comment mom, and share.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. No.
So you like boys and girls? Are you still single? Honey, you're not bisexual, you by yourself.
Hey, so the person that sent you this video was really nervous to tell you this, but they like you. Hold up, they like you. I can't say this correctly, but they like you. Alright, I'm going to say it. They like yogurt. There, that's all. Wait a minute, what were you think they're going to say? They just like yogurt, that's all.
Depends on you. When at the time go, maybe it's all. Here it comes. Here it comes. No, my turn. Here it goes. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to remember. Oh, fuck. Now you're right next to me.
Go on if you do not believe in God. If you're still here, God is about to change your life in the next 48 hours. If you don't want that, just keep scrolling. It's okay. If you do though, follow me, like this video, comment God is coming, and tag 3 friends.